Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala nabiyyihi Muhammadin wa alihi wa ashabihi ajma'een. Amma ba'd. Honorable guests and teachers, today I have been assigned to speak on a burning topic of the time, Islam and terrorism. It is surprising enough that violent activities and terrorism are attributed to Islam, whereas it is the religion of peace and mercy. The word of Islam, which means submission to the will of Allah, is derived from salam, which means peace. It is in fact Islam which for the first time in the human history came forward to protect the weak, to strengthen the poor and honor the disdained. It regarded the safety of human life, wealth and honor the utmost necessity of a human society. Islam raised the value of a single human life to equate it with the life of all the people in the world. As Allah said, من أجل ذلك كتبنا على بني إسرائيل أنه من قتل نفسا بغير نفس أو فساد في الأرض فكأنما قتل الناس جميعا ومن أحياها فكأنما أحيا الناس جميعا. For this reason we decreed for the children of Israel that whoever kills a person not in retaliation for a person killed, nor as a punishment for spreading disorder on the earth, is as if he has killed the whole of humankind. And whoever saves the life of a person is as if he has saved the life of whole of humankind. Islam presented a set of religious and social teachings which spread peace and brotherhood. So truly, Islam represented the creed of peace, and the Prophet, Allah bless him and give him peace, was called mercy for the mankind. Islam advocated forgiveness and avoidance. It encouraged reconciliations and mutual understanding instead of fighting. Violence and using force was about the least degree. Fighting was allowed only as the last option. And in this case, unjust fighting and violence was prohibited. As the Quran says, لا ينهاكم الله عن الذين لم يقاتلوكم في الدين ولم يخرجوكم من دياركم أن تبروهم وتقسطوا إليهم إن الله يحب المقسطين. Allah does not forbid you as regards those who did not fight you on account of faith and did not expel you from your homes, that you do good to them and deal justly with them. Surely Allah loves those who maintain justice. Dear audience, in several verses of the Quran and Hadith, Islam stressed Muslims to adopt justice and fairness in their action, even their enemies and opponents. And the Prophet Muhammad prohibited Muslims to kill the women of their enemies at war, their children, and even their hermits and the non-competent people. He would advise them, do not betray and do not be excessive. He also said, whoever has killed a person having a treaty with the Muslims shall not smell the fragrance of paradise, which is smelled for a span of 40 years. Here I conclude with the prayer that may Allah make this world more merciful, and may we become brothers and friends, not enemies. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ.